Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be breaking down the best same-day personal loans that you can use in order to get some of that money that you might need for an upcoming expense. That's what we're going to be breaking down here in today's video. Again, what are the best companies when it comes to getting a personal loan? And some of these options do also offer same-day funding, so you can actually get funding very fast and very quick, especially when you need it, and you might need it in a pinch. So that's what we're going to be breaking down here in today's video. Again, taking a look at those top personal loan offers so you can get quick funding and you can cover those large costs in a pinch. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into things. And of course, if you want to check out any of the companies we mentioned here in today's video, check out those links linked down below in the video description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, first we're going to take a look at is this page here. Now, this page is done in partnership with Money.com, where we rank and put together the list of the best personal loan companies. And we compare the best personal loans. And personal loans, again, can be a great alternative to credit cards or for large or unexpected expenses, because you can get fast and easy online applications. You can get a loan today and get generally a better interest rate than what you would get on a credit card. So it does make a lot of sense if that's the situation that you are in. And of course, a lot of these companies do also offer same day funding, again, because it can be a convenient way to borrow to cover a variety of different expenses, whether that be like a wedding, a funeral, vacation, surprise medical bills. There's a whole host of different reasons why you may want a personal loan. Maybe it's even part of your debt payoff strategy. Can also go into things. So there's a variety of different reasons why you may want a personal loan. And again, these lenders typically do disperse these funds directly to your bank account, so you can start using the money as soon as possible. And some, again, will even fund the same day, as early as the same day that you've been approved. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into things on the list. And our number one choice here, kicking off today's video, is Achieve Debt Relief. Now, they are better in the case that you may need specific debt relief payment. If you need to get a personal loan for paying off a debt, then Achieve could be a good option for you. If you need it for another reason, then continue watching the video, because there's a lot of different lenders that, kind of suit different needs depending on what your needs are with a personal loan. Now, you can borrow anywhere from $1,000 up to $100,000 with Achieve, and you can find the best fit for your specific loan needs. You can pick 2 to 5 years for repayment. They also offer rate discounts are available, and they are an A+ Better Business Bureau rating. And you can, so you can see they serve over 450,000 members since 2002. Again, if you want to get access to this page and follow along with video, you can check out that first link down below in the video description. That's BrentVolesky.com/best personal loans. It'll take you right over to this page here, where you can see the most up-to-date list of our top picks and top companies. Now, if you do click view rates here with Achieve, you'll be prompted with this page here where you can choose the debt amount that you have. If you want to borrow $1,000 or up to $100,000, you can select the slider there and go through their online application. You can also opt to call their phone number too, again, via this page here. Moving along, at number 2 in this list here today, we have is Credible. Now, Credible is a little bit different from Achieve in that they are more of a rate and lender shopping platform where you can shop from a variety of different lenders at the same time. So you can get personalized, pre-qualified rates from multiple lenders with Credible, and they have a 2-minute online application process with loans ranging from as low as $600 all the way up to $200,000, and with rates from, different variable APRs. Again, this does depend on when you're watching this video. Again, interest rates are always subject to change. They have rates as low as 6.49% all the way up to 35%. Again, you probably don't want that high range, but it could still even be better than a credit card in some cases, depending on what kind of interest rate that you get approved for. Again, there are a variety of different factors that do go into that in terms of credit score and different things as far as what you may be approved for. And then they also have loan terms ranging from 1 to 7 years, and they are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau. If we click here on view rates and we check out Credible, as you can see here, you can check your credit score here, and you can see the best personal loans. Again, depending on when you're watching this video, this list will be up to date as well. And you can check your rates from a variety of different lenders, selecting from different interest rates, seeing, of course, depending on what you qualify for, different loan term amounts and different loan amounts themselves beyond just the loan term. So you can see a variety of different companies in here: Citi, Upgrade, SoFi, Prosper, a whole variety of different companies. Again, you can go through here and check the rates and see which one might be the best for you. That's one of the nice perks of utilizing a site like Credible, is just you can fill out one form and you can check what you pre-qualify for. from a single rate checking system. Again, that is Credible at the links in the video description. Moving in at number 3 we have is AM1. Now AM1 is a specialized lender, and they have loan amounts ranging from $2,000 to $50,000, and their APR is starting at low as 4.6%. Again, depending on when you watch this video, these APR rates may be different. Just keep that in mind. Again, it also depends on your credit. Loan terms can range anywhere from 12 to 84 months, and you can explore all your options at once and find the best offers for you through AM1. You can get your funds in as little as 1 day from approval, and their loan consultants are available to help you understand your options as far as what it looks like in terms of the types of loans that you may want to go for. If we take a look here at the AM1 website, you can see again this application won't affect your credit score, which is nice. Again, a lot of the companies do offer that too. And they have rates, as you can see here now, it's 6.4. So again, it varies day to day. This interest rate is always subject to change, even on a day-to-day basis. So again, it's going to be somewhat similar as far as what the low APR range is from any of these different companies, no matter which one you decide to go with, or maybe try and see what you're eligible for, right? Going through applying and viewing your offers. They offer debt consolidation loans to make it easy for borrowing, and you can easily select from different loan amounts, whether it be $2,500, $5,000, $7,500, $10,000 or more. And they do have it to be a pretty easy process. Moving along at number 4 in this list, we have is Rocket Loans. Now, Rocket Loans, you probably heard of them before, is the same company as Rocket Mortgage. They also have a personal loans division where they offer personal loans under the Rocket Loans branding. Same company as well as Rocket Money, if you've heard of that. So all under the Rocket branding. And Rocket Loans, it gives personal loans. You can have a fast online application with quick approval decisions. And they have competitive fixed rates and flexible loan terms with no fees for application or prepayment. And you can have funds available as soon as the next business day. And they have simple, transparent pricing with no hidden costs. If you take a look here at the Rocket Loans website, as you can see here, it greets you with the hi there, where you're looking for a loan today. And again, filling out the form won't affect your credit score, which can be a really nice perk and benefit there. And you select the loan purpose. So you can select from debt consolidation, home improvement, medical expenses, business needs, auto needs, or other, whatever category that you may fall under. And then you just click the Let's Go button, and you can go through and start the easy online application with Rocket Loans. Moving in at number 5 here today, we have Avant. Now, Avant has a $35,000 maximum loan, and they have loans ranging from 9.95% all the way up to 35%, and they have loan terms from 24 to 60 months, and checking your loan options will not affect your credit score, and they have no prepayment penalties, as well as fast funding normally dispersed in 1 business day, which can be nice in terms of getting that money quickly. Again, if you check out Avant's website, again, this is what Avant looks like. Now, Avant is available through the Credible marketplace, but you can, if you go through the link in the video description, it will greet you right here with this page where you can apply directly and compare rates from Avant and see what they're currently able to give you in terms of the pre-qualified rates. And you can, again, have no impact to your credit score by checking your rates and easily selecting the loan amounts. And then you can also shop from multiple lenders via Avant because it is through Credible as well. Moving in at number 6, we have for today's video is SoFi. Now, SoFi you've probably heard of for maybe their student loan offerings, maybe their bank accounts, investing. SoFi is a very popular player in the personal finance space. They do also offer personal loans, and they have loan amounts ranging from $5,000 all the way up to $100,000 with fixed rates starting at 8.99% all the way up to 35%. Again, the rates that you see on this page, be sure to check out the company's websites to get the most realistic and up-to-date rates, because rates are always subject to change. And these rates, tend to be not as accurate as just going through and seeing what you directly pre-qualify for. That's going to give you the interest rate that you actually are eligible for versus kind of their rough range that they provide. In terms of the loan, you can have that from 24 to 84 months. And for a sample loan, like a 4-year, $20,000 loan with an interest rate of 15%, APR of 18% would require an estimated monthly payment of $561 and a total cost of $26,500 $1,956, just as an example of a sample loan with them. If we take a look here at the SoFi website, again, for their personal loans, they do offer low rates, no fees required, and personal loans are made easy. You can view personalized rates in just 60 seconds with no impact to your credit score. All you have to do is enter in your email address and you can get started with the View My Rate and online application. Again, they can have same-day funding up to $100,000, and you can get amounts from $5,000 to $100K the same day that you sign the loan. Again, no fees are required, no origination fee, no late fees, no prepayment penalties. And they do also have live customer support, so you can view your rate today, again, through SoFi at the links in the video description. Pretty good, easy way to go ahead and secure the money that you may need. Now, looking at number 7 in this list here today, we have is Happy Money, and they have loan amount ranges from $5,000 all the way up to $40,000, and you do need a 600 plus FICO score for Happy Money, with lower rates all the way at 5.99% up to 24%. And they have terms from 2 to 5 years, and you can use the personal loans to pay down credit cards and consolidate debt. And they partner with federally insured financial institutions to originate the loans, and they have a one-time origination fee between 0% and 5%. So depending on the kind of loan that you're getting, you may or may not have an origination fee. If you click view rates at the link below, again, this one is also available through Credible, where you can compare rates from Happy Money as well as 18 other lenders, again, with no impact to your credit score, and you get an actual pre-qualified rate, not just an estimation. And it's a pretty easy online process to shop around. Moving along in this list here today at number 8, last but not least, we have is Upstart. Now, Upstart, you can check your rate in 5 minutes and get a personal loan from $1,000 up to $50,000, and you can get funded in as fast as 1 business day. And they have 36% lower rates as compared to a traditional model, and it won't affect your credit score with Upstart. Again, last but not least here, you can check your rate. Again, it won't affect your credit score to check your rate, and you can verify your details in minutes and get next day funding with no hidden fees or prepayment penalty. Again, most borrowers are instantly approved, just a few steps to check your rate and see what you qualify for in terms of the loan amounts and the rates and terms. Again, no prepayment penalties, and they do have a variety of different positive customer reviews in terms of the easy process. You get your rate, you can get approved, and then you can get the funds. Again, you can get the funds and sent in 24 hours or less if you're really interested, in that same day funding. Again, hence the title of today's video. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful on some of the best companies to get your personal loans through. Again, if you want to check out this page here, it'll be that first link down below in the video description. That's BrandonVeloci.com/best-personal-loans. Again, if you want to get access to, some of the best personal loans, again, some that also offer same day funding if you would like to get funding as early as the same day that you've been approved. Guys, if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. But anyway, guys, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.